The AST1 experiment means that advanced colloid experiment. The means that we are performing the new science with a colloidal particle. The colloidal particle wanted to make us a new structure in three-dimensional space. They will provide the new science because there is no any information about the real interaction between the two particles. Experiment design was obtained from our previous result. The colloidal particles, such as the Janus particle on Earth, make us a 2D structure. However, we cannot create the three-dimensional structure because of the sedimentation effect of gravity. If we perfectly remove the masking effect of gravity, if we can make some new structure, such as a three-dimensional structure. If we succeed in those kinds of science, we can obtain the new principle or new science. Some cases we are increase the strength of hydrophobic interaction. Some cases we are increasing hydrogen bonding. Some cases we are increasing the electrostatic force. There will be some make an ensemble force, so we can make us a new three-dimensional superstructure. And then based on these kinds of principle, we can make a directed assembly. We can induce the directed assembly of a phenomena. Those kinds of directed assembly provide a new design tool from the tiny molecule. Based on these kinds of information, we can make a new three-dimensional infrastructure to apply it to commercial side, such as a photonic crystal. They will make us some new tunnel. The tunnel will be alternative way to communicate with something, and we can replace the conventional semiconductor memory. And the other side is that we can make a intelligent delivery system. The hard issue is how can we deliver the specific drug to a specific target. They will make us some three-dimensional structures. They protect some immune cell or some other enzyme attack. Those kinds of systems specifically delivered to specific tissue or specific cell. After that, they assemble it. They release the drug. If we apply this kind of treatment structure onto the skin, we can make some deep delivery of a cosmetic compound into the specific cell or specific tissue. So that's some new advance in cosmetic industry. The most important thing is a collaboration between two countries, USA government and Korean government. Basically, this work was supported by USA government and especially NASA at Grand Research Center. They will provide a great chance to perform the new science and engineering for me. The next step, we want to also collaborate with the NASA Grand Research Center colloidal engineering team. I would like to quote some Armstrong saying, that will be some small step for us. However, that's going to be a big leap for Korean society. Thank you for your collaboration. I really appreciate your devotion to our group.